Hello, my name is Taylor Wake, and this is my video for Project 2 video for Psychological Foundation. I chose to do it over Chapter 2, which is cognitive language and literacy development. My student issue is several of the students in the school district that I work at are very below grade level equivalency. I'm in a 6th grade building, and many of the readers are on 3rd grade levels, 4th grade levels, and sometimes even lower. So reading can be an issue for all classes, all core classes, whether it be reading a passage in an English class or taking a test in a math class with word problems. Reading can be a very difficult thing to conquer in these classes. And whatever the case may be, there's always room for improvement when it comes to their reading equivalency. So based on Chapter 2 in our book, I've found an application through Google that helps with reading on Chrome. And Vygotsky's theory of scaffolding is easily incorporated through this method. And he states in our book that scaffolding provides hints and prompts at different levels. In scaffolding, the adult does not simplify the task, but the role of the learner is simplified. And this is exactly what the app SpeakIt does through Google Chrome. It turns any web page or article or anything that you send out online, for like on Google Classrooms, and it turns it into where it can be heard audio. So being at a school that is one-to-one, this is very easily accessible in my classroom. And even if you are not one-to-one, you still have your library computers and whatnot that you could implement this modification for your students. This allows all of my students, regardless of IEPs and 504s and whatever modifications that they might have, to be on the same playing field and feel equal in the classroom, and that's very important because once they hit the middle school level and they start having these modifications, they can become embarrassed of them and shy away from different things. And when they're all doing the same thing, they're able to, conquer more, feel more confident about their learning, and this is what SpeakIt does. So they're all receiving the same output from the assignment that they are doing. Some of them are just implementing SpeakIt more than others and using it more than others. And it allows reading to become more natural and something that the students are more comfortable with. And this is something that is very enjoyable in my co-taught classroom because you have special education students as well as regular education students, and they're all completing the same task, regardless of what that might be. Some of them might not have any of it read to them, and some might have all of it read to them. And that's perfectly okay because they're all getting the same education and the same lesson, and they're all enjoying it. And it's on the computer, so that's another thing that is very beneficial about the app SpeakIt. So I hope that all of you are able to check out SpeakIt on Google Chrome and hopefully incorporate it into your classrooms.